Welcome, my people. Today we have preposition in Hausa language. Sit back and let's learn. The first preposition is from, daga, inside, shike, So you can say yana chike, it is inside. Outside, waje, it is outside. Yana waje. With, the. Without, batari. Under, karkashi. After, baya. Say, it is after me. Abayana. Before, gaba. But, ama, as, kama. During, lokaci. You can say during lokacin da nika a gurin, during the period I was there. Despite, duk da haka, tun da haka. Since, tun jiya. Till, kai. Except, say, except, say. Close, kusa, close to me. Kusa da ni. Close, kusa. The last but not the least I want to talk about today is because. And because is saboda. So saboda abun da ya faru, because of what happened. Saboda abun da ya faru, because of what happened. So because of time, saboda. Please comment and share. Thank you.